To my loyal subbies. Woohoo! Yeah, no, Janice, no. Hi guys, so I'm starting off the vlog kind of late today because my husband's been in the hospital. He has pneumonia in his left lung, so I've been running, and then Madison of course has a cold, and then my younger son, he has a cold, and then my other older children are getting over a cold, and I of course still have that annoying cough. So our whole family just sounds like just a batch of people you need to be very far away from. But my husband is home now. He got admitted yesterday, and then he got discharged today because his heart, as well as having pneumonia, his heart rate was high, and they couldn't get it to come down. So they gave him a lot of fluids and everything. The baby Madison is over there on the couch sleeping. I'm like, seriously, she's not a couch baby, but it always seems like she's always on the couch. The kids are in the room. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And I thank you guys so much for your support, your loyalty, and everything. A lot of people were talking about whether or not people should subscribe to a YouTuber based on the fact that they have their subscriber count hidden, and I have my subscriber count hidden from day one, and I've always had people subscribe to me, and it was never a problem. But people were saying that it shows that you're insecure or you have something to hide. I don't have anything to hide, you know. I put what I want to put out on YouTube. The rest of it I keep to myself. So there's nothing really I have to hide. And trust me, I'm not insecure, or else I wouldn't be on camera, because I'm not your average pretty girl that, you know, is dolled up every day. I'm not insecure, trust me. I don't have a problem putting my pimpled face on camera, or, you know, my bad hair days on camera. You know what I mean? I vlog my life. So why would I be insecure about a subscriber count? The reason why I hide it is because I want loyal subscribers. I want people to subscribe to me and my family, because you guys like us as people, individuals, and not just here because I am a big YouTuber or something, or you know what I mean. I want loyal subscribers, and if it takes me 10 years to gain loyal subscribers, then it will take me 10 years to gain loyal subscribers. Grant you, I hope it doesn't take 10 years, but you know what I'm saying. So for all my loyal subbies, my sunshines, my day one sunshines, but I've been here since day one, because all my sunshines are always day one, you know. There's always a day that you choose to subscribe, and that's the day that, you know, you've been down with me. So all of you are day one to sunshines. So thank you guys so much for your support and your loyalty and everything. I mean, I might just round this up into one video and just put it out there. To my loyal subbies, woohoo! Yeah, no, Janice, no. And someone was commenting about not hiding my accent. I don't have an accent. I never had an accent. Even in school, I got picked on. People were like, who you think you are? You know, they always thought I was from America or something. They never thought I was Jamaican, because I never really had an accent. And teachers would actually want to see my dad because they thought I was lying. And I'm like, I don't have an accent. Growing up with my father, I was never allowed to speak patois in our home. I was never allowed to do it because, you know, my dad was very educated, and he never once, he looked down upon, you know, he looked down on the language. He's like, you're never going to get a job speaking like that. You're never going to get far speaking like that. Learn proper English. You can always go back and fall on it, but I never gained it because it was never spoken like that in our home. If anyone understand what I'm saying. This is a 5-minute video. What? I'm gonna have to turn this into something. I don't know yet. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to turn this, because I can't put all of this in a vlog. But anyways, yeah, so my accent is not as great as, say, someone that's been speaking it for a long time. I've been here in the United States since I was 17. So yeah, I don't have much of an accent. I can say something like Wagwan. That means what's going on. Or what's another one? No problem, man. No problem. No, that's so wrong. That is so wrong. If you speak Jamaican, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am the worst Jamaican. I'm like, if you're following me for authentic Jamaican stuff, I'm not the person, please. Good morning, sunshines. So, good morning, sunshines, and welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. Even though I'm off, I'm way off. Don't judge me. I have a newborn. I try my best to give you guys videos, but I have a newborn, so yeah, I'm sorry. So today is Maddie's 1 month today. She's 1 month old today. We're excited about that. I have to do her photo, you know, prop her up with her little bear and do her photo. We're gonna do that. And I got my nails done. I got Christmas colors. They're nice and pretty. Okay, and I've been trying to vlog lately, but it's not working out, you know. My husband had pneumonia and a couple kids were sick and all of that, so we got, you know, got off track for a little bit there. I am now making breakfast, which is rice. Those Knorr's sides, is it Knorr's, honey? Pasta side, something. That we're doing that for breakfast. Well, I'm doing that for breakfast because my husband is over there on the computer, and we're gonna be doing the husband and me tag, so look out for that video. I have to do the twin tag, so as most of you know, I do have a twin sister, but she don't live nowhere near me, so it's gonna be a while until I see her. So I'm gonna do that tag as well. And I have to do the what I got my children for Christmas video too.
Oh, you did that last year.
So since I have to wrap presents, because I haven't even started wrapping presents, and today is the 18th of December. Yay! I don't know if I should start freaking out yet, and I still haven't got one child their present. 7 days?
Mommy, I'm thinking of your present.
Oh, I feel so special. I'm getting something for Christmas. But anyway, I'm gonna go concentrate on thing, and then I'll show you Matt. I'll show you guys Matt later. What's up, Jojo?
We're finished.
Okay. So I'll show you guys the baby later, because I know that's why you guys are here. And okay, so say hello. We have Destiny over here babysitting, but she's watching. Who are you watching? Drea. We have baby Madison right here, because that's her baby's name. That's Drea's baby's name. So we have little Maddie here. She is 1 month old today, guys. 1 whole month. Hi, princess.
This is the Aztec.
Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Say hi. Hi. Hi.
But down here is
oh, my face. Back up.
For the most part, it fits. And then this is the girl that I got from Burlington, and I don't know if y'all can really tell with her hair, but
so I got the stockings up. So we have Daddy over there. That's mine. Jason, Jordan, Destiny, Jaxson, and Madison. And of course, you know, my tree. I didn't put the skirt down because, yeah, I don't want the cat to mess that up. So, yeah. Anyways, my husband is switching to plant-based food. Let me tell you, he and I is not going to get along. He brought me some food today. I mean, I took years of eating my husband's food. I mean, grant you. Granted, he doesn't cook too bad, but I wasn't gonna eat that. But anyways, this is it. This is it. I'm just gonna give you guys something to watch. It's not really vlog worthy, but at least, you know, baby's crying. I gotta go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.